Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. What a day we have had. OMG. Let me open this 60-minute time frame up so we can take a closer look at this. So we closed here on Friday. We opened last night, Sunday, here. That's a pretty nice looking gap. Then it just continued to push lower, 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 lower till eventually we found some support there. We tried to recover a bit, didn't work out so well, pushed almost back down to that same point of support, rallied from there, and this little business that you're seeing right now, the stock market just closed 4 minutes ago. So, a little bit of a short covering rally. That is when people are covering their shorts from the day and just, going home for the day. That pushes the price up. So, what I wanted to talk to you about today is one of the things that I like to do just because I am super visual. And this is just a little bit of a help for me in that department. So, if you look up here on the top right, this is the 5 minute time frame, NASDAQ futures that we are looking at. And what I like to do is I like to put two different lines on this 5 minute chart. It's as simple as this: the top line is the high of the day, the bottom line is the low of the day. That's it. Nothing fancy. But the reason that I like that is because, like I said, I'm super visual. And what I always want to see very, very easily is how close we are or where we are in this whole range. Speaking of range, I don't know that I even remember the NASDAQ having a 1,000+ point range, which it did today. Totally bananas. But I wanna know where in that entire range we are. Now you might say, "Well, like, why do you need that?" Because clearly you can see it on the daily time frame, and you can also kinda see it, eyeball it on the 60-minute. Well, yes, you can, but like I said, I wanna make it even more foolproof for myself. So I use it on a 5-minute. Why? Because I look at the 5-minute more often than I look at these. Because if I'm trading, my anchor chart is a 2-minute time frame over here. My second up that I'm gonna be looking at is here. So usually I'd have this like way over so it was closer so my eyeball could go to this, and I'd have it like scrunched down so I could just really easily see where in this range we are. So yes, you absolutely can use these different time frames, but that is just a simple trick for my brain. It just works out better. Maybe it will for yours too. Anyway, hope you were able to grab some of the amazing move today. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.